Hi friends, next we are going to talk about that access dictionary items in Python language. Okay. So, these in access dictionary items can be classified as these accessing items, get keys, get values, get items, check if key exists or not. So, the type of concepts we can access in dictionary. So, what is the how can you define that accessing items? A dictionary by referring its key name. Inside the key you have to use that square bracket. That is the most important define to represent that. So far we have that for example. For example, if you take that variable a, always that dictionary is defined with a square bracket, then you can write that college name. Okay, we have that always we have to use that colon. Next one is that is actual Andhra University. Andhra University. Okay, that is actual college. Then you can take that branch is ECE. Next one is rank that is actual second rank, like that you are getting this. After that you can enclosing this. So, what is the meaning of this access item? That to access the all are keys, college, branch and rank are keys, and right side values are key values. Now, I am calling that particular key. So, you are simply write that based on these lines you are calling that y is equal to print, or otherwise you can simply call by a variable a in square bracket. Now, I am calling that branch. This is actual concept. After that, if you write that print y, you will get that result is, after that you will get that result will be, that is ECE. You are getting ECE, that is actual branch. So, this is actual access concept here. So, without having these square brackets, simply you can use that GET of this parenthesis. Based on this, you can extract the data. That the type of example is simply that another model. Another model is simply we are calling that y is equal to, now the total data in variable a. Okay, simply that a dot get, which model we are calling that, that is actual branch. So, the data should be in parenthesis. After execution of, after writing that print of y, after execution of that you will be get the result will be EC, like that you will be get. This is the actual model for access items. Next one is get keys. Get keys. Okay. So, these instructions are simply that instruction names are keys parenthesis KEYS. So, that method will returns a list of all keys in the dictionary. All keys in the dictionary. Simply same expression here a, you are getting that x is equal to a dot keys in parenthesis. So, this one is small k value. Then output will be, then output for this instruction is, you will be get that response is the same in square bracket, that is college, okay, Andhra University. Next one is branch, you will get as it is ECE. rank 2, like that you will be get the data. Okay, that is actual get keys here. Sometimes for example the list of keys is view of dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in keys list. For example, if you want to add something, that add a new item to the original dictionary and see the key list gets uploaded as well as this. Sometimes for example if you take same instruction, if you are writing that the same instruction, this one is get values, so same get keys, you are getting that same variable is a having college, branch, rank. Now I am change the branch name. At this moment we are preferring that example is, for this example and taking that x is equal to a dot we are writing that keys keys you are getting as it is function. Otherwise simply you are writing that a in square bracket. Now I am changing that branch and is equal to, you are taking that branch is CSC. After that you are writing that print of x value. How can you define that x value is, before that we are writing that x is equal to a dot keys of this. Before execution of this you will be get a is equal to college Andhra University, branch is ECE, rank is 2. After that, after inserting this the particular response, you are getting that total response is print of x. You will be get, for example in this case you are using print of x. For these 2 lines of based on this you will be get all instructions. After that you are adding new branch. Okay. Finally after execution of this you will be get step by step, that is colleges. After that output will be college Andhra University. Next one is branch CSC. Next one is rank 2. Like that you will be get the execution of entire process. That is the main concept of this get keys. Next one is get values. So what is the difference between keys and values? Keys are left side variables, values are right side variables. Now I am declaring this in this concept here. Get keys, you are getting only left side keys, you are not getting right side values. So simply your keys means you are getting only left side, values are right side values. Like that we are going to represent that get values. Definition is that instruction name is, simply we are prefer that values of, all are small letters, values at the end, yes, values. Okay. So this method will return a list of the all values in the dictionary. For example, so far we prefer that variable a. Okay, now I am writing that x is equal to a dot values of this bracket. Then after execution of these 2 lines based on this program, okay, we are having the a value up to this. If you write that x is equal to a dot values, values are, you will be get only right side, output will be Andhra University, ECE, the value is rank 2, like that you can generate that. Okay. These are keys, these are values, like that we can get. Okay. Simply if you want to send in so and so values, so you can simply write that, change the values. Okay. For example, you are taking that car, then you can take that curly bracket, then we are representing this, that is actual company Tata, okay, model, okay, simply you can take that Vista, next year 2018, like that, then close the bracket. After that, after execution of this, how can you change the values? Values are right side values, you have to change. You are taking that x is equal to car dot values. After execution of this line, then you can write that print of x. After execution of these lines, you will be get output for these values are only right side values you will be get. Okay. Now what I am representing that, if you want to change that car of year, you have to change, that is actual year is equal to checking 2020, then you can write print of x. After that, previous condition we are using print x, now we are using print x. After execution of all these lines, for this line you are getting that example for these values are dictionary underscore values are, first company is Tata, next one is Vista, next one is the year is 2018. For this instruction you are getting that dictionary underscore values parenthesis, and you are taking that square bracket, and as it is function Tata, next one is Vista, and we changed the year, that is 2020, like that you will be get that output for. So this is the concept for get values. Okay. And one more concept is we are representing in terms of that get function. Sometimes you may use that extra data, so for that condition we prefer that same example is so far we prefer that x values, and these two lines are removed, for next example. Then you can take car of, we are creating new key, that is actual color, that value is taking that black. Already we have that all company, model, year, and now we are adding that one color, like that we are preferring this black. Next, if you write that print of car, print of x, after that output will be the final response is you are getting dictionary underscore values, then you are taking that company name is Tata, next one is Vista 2018, and at the end we are using that black, like that we can change with the help of this. That is the actual concept of get values. Next one is get items. When you are using items of something, you can extract the all items from the variable. So variable a dot items of this. Then after execution of these lines, you will be get that response is the dictionary underscore items, not values, items of this in square bracket, and once again we are taking the parenthesis, then you can take company Tata, like that each and every responses you are getting. Item indicates both key and values, like that. So like this, similarly you are taking that whatever the responses you are taking, that company name, branch name, so and so, like that one by one you will be get. And last one is, that is actual check if key exists or not. So simply you are taking that variable is A as the brand name, simply Tata, model, Vista, year 2018, like that. After having this variable A, now I would like to check particular key value in so and so variable or not. Now I am checking that model A. If that model in particular key, you are able to write the print, yes, model is one of the keys in the dictionary. In a which variable? This is actual variable A, like that you can take. Thank you.